In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue of printer is offline and you cannot print. We're coming to our Windows icon and clicking right, and from here we are selecting computer management. Clicking this, and from the opening window we are selecting services and applications. Opening this, clicking services, and from here we're gonna put it to alphabetic order and we're gonna scroll all the way down until we find the printer spooler. Clicking this, clicking right, selecting properties, and from here we have to make sure that the startup type it's automatic and the service status is running. If everything is fine, clicking apply, and also to make it a safe site, you can stop the service and make it restart again. Clicking OK, closing this, and we're coming once again to our start menu, and this time we have to search control panel. Control panel, selecting this, and from the opening window make sure that the view is small icons, and from here we are selecting device and printers. We're not clicking twice, we're clicking right, and from here selecting open, and from here we are seeing the printers that are installed in Windows 11. We're coming to the desired printer that we want to fix the issue of offline printing. Clicking right, and from here we are selecting see what's printing. From the opening window we're coming to printer and make sure that it's not selected. As you can see, use printer offline. Clicking this, and I'm selecting this set as default printer. Clicking OK, and the printer is set as default, and we fix the issue of the printer is offline. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.